The first way to check Japan's country's national debt.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Create content effortlessly. Click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Go to this website, sickdata.com, Japan national government debt from 1982 to 2023, or the current date. This is a pretty extensive website. It goes all the way back from 22 to 2023, or max. Wow, $9.5 billion, I believe. Okay, well, it just kind of updated, but this is very extensive. You can even scroll all the way down and you can see Japan key series. They have their total tax revenue, they have their expenses, and everything else, total export growth, etc., etc. Check out this website. The next website is macrotrends.com. Again, it's going to show their GDP debt from 1960 to 2024. They're currently in an uptrend, and as you can see, more useful information. And then this next website is usstatclock.org. As you can see, if we were to scroll down, Japan is ranked third. They're $13.6 trillion in national debt, and then they have their public debt and their external debt completely for free.